Oh, he's stepping. PG Langs. PG Langs.
Got me thinking I should always into some bullshit now.
Fuck that shit up. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Shame on you. Yeah. Shame on you.
Mommy.
Hey, got the fucking fries, some icy shoes. I don't even know what they're called. Got the Evico Spider-Man.
Okay, top down this guy. Mickey Mouse.
It's average.
Look at his shirt pocket, bro.
It's the average level.
Look, you got new shoes. They not the Crocs.
Alien, right there on the drink menu.
Damn.
Alien juice plus Area 51, bro. Irish car bomb.
Damn. Ireland's in Asia? What kind of blackberry is that? Okay, Victor. First time in America? Do they celebrate Thanksgiving in Mexico? Is that a Nokia?
It's an iPhone.
They have that in Puerto Rico?
He's from Colombia, man. Get it right.
Shut up, bro. What kind of hat you got on? Pedro's first time trying Asian food. How's it taste, Pedro?
It's very good.
Pretty good.
It's called Crystal Light.
Crystal Light.
Crystal Light. Can't even see it. That hurt.
It's like our dorm, the dorm room.
What about their dick one last time? One last nut.
It was good, man. Like $16. That better be like
What is that, menudo?
I don't know.
Decimated. Decimated.
The one noodle. I don't have to chew to swallow.
So, what's your advice to anyone learning how to speak English?
Bro, I know how to speak English.
So, how was your first time having soju?
It's great.
It's great?
Get that cheese, get that cheese.
Mint stock these nuts.
Can you teach me some Spanish? Te amo.
Alright, where are we going?
Alright, fit breakdown.
Got the Doc Martens needles, the Uniqlo Selvage, white tee,
Essential.
Hanes Vintage
Essential.
with the paint. This is South to West 8.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, drip check with Mr. Bruce Liu. What kind of jacket you got?
It's my dad.
What's the shirt though?
Amazon Prime. It's the legend.
Jesus.
Standard military grade. Check this one out.
No, SOMI.
There's a buzz ball.
Evidence number 23C.
That's my buzz ball. Harvard.
I'll plan everything for Christmas if it can be at my house.
I already know what I'm gonna buy for it.
Who said you were invited?
Probably 3 people every night.
Well, we stepping in.
China shoes.
Okay.
We got the Old Navy jeans.
Okay, broke
Old Navy
ass.
vest.
Broke ass. What about the necklace, huh?
The necklace also China.
Bust down. What kind of hat you got on? Okay.
And Levi's.
Okay.
And then the
Damn,
jacket
bro.
I got for Christmas.
Sound like you're reading a script, bro. Sound more exciting. They say a picture's 1,000 words, but the video's 10.
About to make a movie.
Yo.
Looking like the
Oh. We got Keon. We got Jacob.
Cookies and cream matcha.
Okay.
Ice cream.
I got cookies and cream matcha.
Okay.
The upside down fish. I don't know what that means.
Okay. Raul. What did you get, Raul?
I got the same thing as
Come on, twist it.
You think you can dip up this one?
We're sipping on, Joe. We're sipping on.
That SOJU, baby.
Okay.
We're up, Josh?
Still a little drunk. A lot better.
Have some fun.
I've never seen
Feel
it
it.
before.
Air that shit up, but not too, bro. Tell us your go-to order at Denny's, JR.
3 words.
Skillet.